In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can add an item to cart on Alibaba. Now this is very easy and quick. The first thing you need to do, guys, is to create an account on Alibaba. You want to click here and then you want to log into your account or register using your Facebook or Google account. Okay, it's very easy to create an account on Alibaba. Now the second thing you need to do, guys, is to search for the product that you want to add to your cart. Just like me, I have added like 8 products to my card. As you can see in the top, I have added all these different products so that I can pay for them all. Now I'm going to add another one so that I can show you guys an example on how you can do that yourself. Okay, now you want to search, for example, I would go with speaker, for example, and after that, guys, to add an item to cart, you want to scroll down a little bit and you want to make sure you select here ready to ship. As you can see in the product features, you want to select ready to ship so that Alibaba will stop showing you items that are not ready or the items that are not in stock. Okay, there are some suppliers, they don't have items in stock. They can just create them after you contact them and after you do all these things with them, so that they can trust you and then they can create all these specific products for you. But you don't want to wait and you want to add an item directly from Alibaba. You don't need to talk to the suppliers. You don't need to waste time doing all these things. Now after that, guys, the minimum order amount is very important, like it says here, max. So if you want to buy one product, just add here 1. If you want to buy, for example, 2, you want to add here 2. So I like to go with 1. So click OK. And here you want to click on any product here that you see right now. For example, this one. So if you look down, guys, you will see here add to cart. As you can see in your contact suppliers, you want to see add to cart. Make sure you select the quantity and click on add to cart. And that's it. Add to cart success. Now if you click on if you click on carts in the top right, just going to verify, I don't know why they are. Yeah, you want to click on cart in the top right, and here you will find all your different products. So if you want to pay for them, you can just click on select all items in the top left, click on checkout. You want to enter here your address in the top. This is my address, called United States, Los Angeles, California. You want to click on add address, add your address, scroll down, add here your credit card. Okay, you want to add your credit card and you want to click on place order. That's it. It's very easy, guys, to do all these things. Click on place order, and that's it. And you want to go to Alibaba, click on orders, and you will find here all your orders. Next to that, you will see the tracking number, and after 2 days the tracking number will be available. Copy the tracking number, go to 70 track, our website, it's called 70 track. Paste here the tracking number, click track, and you will track the product until it arrives in your country. So hopefully this video, guys, helped you. If it does, leave a like, subscribe, let me know in the comments if this works. See you guys in the next video.